Alam litum matha ma lagi Meghalaya area po si mathatet luma. Assam Police. Mani atum order piluma ang songpen. Lagi Meghalaya lo, the APHLC leaders visited Mukoilum on 23 November 2022 to know the ground situation in that area affected by firing by Assam Police at Mukro on 21/11/22 on the Karbianglong Meghalaya border. 5 Khasipnars and 1 Karbi were killed on the main PWD road. The area has so long been claimed by Karbianglong to be within West Karbianglong. Then why did Assam Police pick up? Why did not the Assam Police pick up the dead bodies? Moreover, one of the dead bodies was that of Vidya Singh Lekhe, a home guard of Assam, posted at Umkro along with the Assam Police. Has Assam surrendered Umkro area to Meghalaya? This is a question. If so, why did Assam Police posted police outpost there? And why did Assam Police went there and opened fire? Why did Assam Police went there to catch timber smugglers? About 1 week before the incident, late Vidya Singh Lekhe spoke before the press that there was no facility and safety at Umkro police outpost. He requested the Karbianglong Autonomous Council for help, but the KAAC or the district police did not do anything to help. It has become questionable as to whether Vidya Singh Lekhe knew many things as to who have been involved in the timber smuggling, and so he has been eliminated by the Assam Police at the instruction from some powerful political persons. This is a question. Why he has been killed? We thank Mr. Conrad Sangma, Chief Minister of Meghalaya government, and the Khasipnars for taking kita lagay. Lalo, lapen ison ganitum mathalo. Nono matki chumang lapen khasi lapen karbi atum haladak ninging samjin man sige dolang. Atumi nitung karbi atum det lapoli khasi atum na chingki ka. Khasi atum na nangdul haladak meeting lo. Halatum da thang da ferry ka ferry thang da velang nono matki. La sinitum mopita la fear psychosis mane ka ferry se roy ka pavedra pavedja pan lapen ka ferry se roy dolo tehdi banga tum a chance na enduji lagi ako ka pithi thuja pan sabuyo a chance na enduja a upay do our side do ko kitison la pasila fear psychosis ka pavedja pan ke nilitum APHLC Pen Assam Meghalaya government ba pulote Joy district administration palo chuning region alam litum matha ma lagi Meghalaya area po si mathatet luma Assam Police mani atum order piluma ang songpen lagi Meghalaya tumle papiklem nang pulumante lapu memelo ansita Meghalaya atum papiklem na po sita ante pisi dam rake abdam tunai elang akam idolang laport la sini itu mathalo la so kama pangke bongo senato mo pinido la darante ili to mana pa chmo hong sai ya pa thang da kali ange thek dam long lo hala NEC pen kaselam atobar me pi khangjang lake Mukoilum police station ansin ang slam en lo ba NEC pen pu seta NEC pu seta Meghalaya PWD si kaselam gamati a scheme lapen a fancy NEC pen di picture ke lage Meghalaya
Kar
se
kok
selam
Meghalaya jang silang lam.
hem kar kok la tuwar kar kok an da di Meghalaya asor si gewang si kar kok ti da anta ande la populo dan te pisilang dun prong lo pi lo ma la lo ison ke ba NEC ke ahok lo la ke border da cross da ti te ma se tahala naga maintain nang kar kok kado be tu ke mang Meghalaya ben sinai claim age pu ana ke me atowar ilitung ta NEC atowar hala hong krampen ham rendo mati lage pun se ki phuk kapi phuk tot an se dukhang yang lage towar ta kali dia to son ande people si KAC ka Charlie dunde det ba Assam government Charlie dunde det sona mesen atowar ki kim ya pan kaselam ya pan la sini tum la si karbiang long la Charlie dunangi lapen nonomat phelang pi pen mukoilum an NEC pen name jak pen name mesen atowar salam serak nani